Before I say anything, just watch this for a second.
OMG. Oh my god, this product is so good on hairs. It works on the first use.
That is not a real person. That's an AI influencer I built completely for free. And in this video I'm going to show you the exact process I used, and by this method you can create any type of influencer you want, literally of any type. If you've been thinking about doing this, this is the only video you need to watch. Now without wasting any time, let's just get straight into it. The first thing we need is inspiration, basically, what we want our AI influencer to look like. And for this I'm going to Pinterest. Now you can just scroll through the Explore feed like this and see if anything catches your eye. Pinterest is genuinely great for this because it's already full of the exact aesthetic we're going for, or you can just search the word influencer right here in the search bar. And as you can see, there are tons of good references here. Let me just scroll through these for a second. I really like this first one, so I'm going to use this as my inspiration. Now, I'm just going to copy this image, simple as that. Next, we're going to open ChatGPT, create a new chat, and paste that image directly in here. Now right alongside the image, we're going to paste this specific prompt. And don't worry, I'll give you this exact prompt at the end of the video, so you can copy it. Now just hit enter. And this is the prompt ChatGPT generated for us. Basically, it analyzed our reference image and converted it into a detailed description that we can now use to generate our own AI influencer. The next step is where we actually turn this text into a realistic AI influencer. So let me show you exactly how to do that. Watch carefully. So for image generation we're going to use Google Flow AI. Just search Flow AI on Google and open this website right here. Go ahead and log in and you'll see a dashboard like this. Now what we need to do is start a new project. And once you're in, paste your prompt in this box here. Now a couple of settings to get right before we generate. First, make sure you select the text to image model right here. Then for the model we're going to select Nano Banana Pro. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making content for vertical platforms like Instagram Reels, Shorts and TikTok. And I'd suggest setting outputs per prompt to 2, that just gives us 2 variations to choose from instead of being stuck with 1. And now we just hit generate and let it do its thing. Okay, and look at that, both generations came out really close to our original reference and prompt. It's honestly impressive. If you want to change anything, like facial features, hairstyle, or clothes, you can just click on the image and edit it with simple text prompts right here. It's very straightforward. But these look great to me, so I'm just going to go ahead and download this one. I'll select download in 2K. This is more than enough quality for any platform, and it'll automatically upscale and process before downloading. And just like that, we have our base influencer model ready. Now stay with me here because this next part is where it gets really exciting. We need to create actual content with this influencer, and the process I'm about to show you is honestly the best part of this whole thing. So now we need to actually create content with our influencer, and for this we're heading back to Pinterest again. Now here's where it gets fun. You can search for literally any type of content style you want. I'm just searching UGC influencer right here, and look at all these results. Really good stuff. For this tutorial I want to show you just how much customization is possible, so I'm going to create a UGC style video. Let me scroll and find one that will allow me to show you how much customization we can do. Okay, I like this one. First just right click and save the image. Simple. Now we head back to Google Flow, open a new project, and we're uploading both images, our influencer that we generated earlier, and this UGC reference we just downloaded. Upload them both right here. But we're not done yet. We also need a product for our influencer to actually feature. The reference image I picked is a hair oil UGC, so let's go back to Pinterest and search hair oil. And just scroll through, and here's the thing, you don't need to use some stock image. You can literally use a product photo from your own brand, a client's product, or a brand you're promoting. Anything works. I found one I like right here. Let's save it. Now go back to Flow and add this as a third image. One more thing, we need a location, a background for our shoot. Back to Pinterest, and I'm just searching landscape. To keep it simple, you can search anything here: bedroom, cafe, studio, whatever fits your content. Alright, this one looks good. Let's save it and upload it to Flow as well. The best thing is, you can customize literally everything. So now we have 4 images loaded up: our influencer, the UGC style reference, the product, and the location. And now here's the part that honestly blew my mind the first time I did this: the prompt. You don't need to write anything complex or any complicated technical language instructions. Just write in plain simple English. Watch while I'm typing. Make the woman in image 1 wear the same dress and stand in the same style as the woman in image 2, holding the product in image 3, standing at the location in image 4. That's it. As simple as that. Now hit enter, and let's wait for the results. And here we go, both outputs follow the directions really well. I'm happy with the first one, so let me download it in 2K, it'll upscale automatically just like before. Oh, and one thing worth mentioning, you might have noticed that Nano Banana Pro shows 0 credits, and yes, that's actually true, it is free. But it does have a daily generation limit, so just be mindful, don't waste your generations. For regular daily content creation though, the limit is more than enough. Alright, now we have our final image. Next, I'll show you how to turn this into an actual video. Let's do that now. To turn our image into an actual video, right here in Flow, select Frames to Video, and you'll see that each generation with VO 3.1 Fast costs 20 credits. And remember, we get 50 credits every day for free, so that gives us a couple of generations to work with daily. Now upload the image we just downloaded, right here. And again, the prompt doesn't need to be complicated at all. Just watch what I'm writing. UGC style, and then just describe what you want her to say, her movements, any gestures, and if you want specific camera movements you can mention those too. Totally up to you, just write it like you're directing someone in plain English. Hit generate and let's wait. And there we go.
Oh my god, this product is so good on hairs, it works on the first use. Oh my god, this product is so good on hairs, it works on the first use.
Both of these look really good and natural. Now I also want to show you another completely free tool you can use for image to video, just so you have options. This one is from XAI, and it's called Grok Imagine. Just go to grok.com and click on Imagine. You'll get a dashboard that looks like this. Upload your image here, and I'm just going to copy-paste the same prompt we used in Flow, and hit enter. You can iterate this a few times to get exactly how you want, by just tweaking the prompt.
OMG.
And here's the key thing I want you to take away from all of this, you don't need to find one perfect clip. You can generate multiple short clips across both of these tools, take the best parts from each, and then just combine them in any basic video editing app. And that's exactly how I put together the video I showed you at the very beginning of this video. So the workflow is simple, generate a few variations, pick your best moments, stitch them together, and you've got a complete AI influencer video. Done.
OMG.
Now you know how to create good quality AI influencers for free. If this saved you time or money, hit like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. I've added the exact prompt in the description below, so you can copy it easily. And make sure to save this video, because you'll definitely want to use this process again.